Kopogore gi mano, wayudo kanyo ni piny owacho kata Kweth mano mabende ochung'ne keto piny owacho tesre kanyo ka otelnegi kod moluor Rigathi Gachagua, Kalonzo Musyoka, Eugene Wamalwa kaachiel kod Justin Muturi. Sani to lieko ni piny owacho mano mamalo nitiere kod maling'ling' mano mar duoko luchore kendo kelo e pachokae jaket mwandu mano mabende mongere kaka Adani, mano mabende oganda jo Kenya ne odagi mar mondo mi obi ochop e pachokae kendo oger paw ndeke mano ma pachokae. Jotelogo ne otwak odiochieng' mano ma kawuono, bende ne gibedo kod twak gi jofwamb weche. Ne gitwak kama:
should be called, yeah, a division should be called, and every person who stands in objection to this state capture and blatant planned theft of everything this country stands for, then the Kenyans will be able to see, yes, member for this constituency stood with the people. But we are aware they may attempt to force. If they do, of course, the next line of action is you have course of justice. Yeah, because the courts cannot interfere at this stage, second reading, committee stage, third reading. The moment before this thing is signed or whatever happens, we will take it up. We are not just about to give up, because if we do, we are auctioning the future of our children.
I don't think that this lie can end, because Bandi has learned from his master. He's the one who has given him a job. So if the president is lying, what stops other people from lying? I heard him the other day crying about corruption by traffic policemen. He has no moral authority to talk about corruption and bribery. He has made bribery a way of life. It's the new normal in this country, where he is bribing people on the loans of State House.
Already as we speak, we're in court over Safaricom, and we will be going to court on the 12th of March. So we will not just live on hope. We are a responsible opposition. We are going to take on this government step by step, blow by blow, and deal with it.